At Cisco Live 2024, Cisco unveiled a series of AI-powered innovations aimed at enhancing digital resilience by integrating advanced networking, security, and observability capabilities. Cisco also introduced a $1 billion global AI investment fund to drive industry innovation and customer readiness. Since Tom Hollingsworth is attending Cisco Live for the Futurum Group, let's check in with him on these announcements.
Thanks, Stephen. I know it's a busy week and I'm here at Cisco Live, but I had to talk about a lot of these announcements because unless you were not paying attention during the keynote, you'll notice that AI is everywhere. The big announcement, of course, for me at least, was the Cisco Nexus Hyperfabric AI cluster partnership with NVIDIA. I mean, this has a lot of ramifications for deployment of AI clusters in the immediate future. With Cisco providing a 400 gig, 800 gig leaf spine architecture network. I have some more thoughts on that, but the quick and easy one is that this binds Cisco very closely to NVIDIA and could signal kind of the end of growth of InfiniBand. I think InfiniBand is going to kind of go into more of a maintenance mode, and Ethernet is going to be the primary takeover for what we're going to be talking about. The other thing is the digital experience assurance. It's part of Thousand Eyes. It's using AI to do a lot of things like managing enterprise cloud SaaS performance. We got a great session during Tech Field Day Extra talking all about that, but the assurance is a key word about what they're wanting. It's not just about detecting it. It's about ensuring that people are able to do what they're supposed to do and figure out exactly where the problems are. I mean, it doesn't take a rocket scientist to figure out that if the cloud is your problem, there's not a lot of tuning you can do on your local network. And the digital experience assurance piece gives you the ability to kind of see where those problems are and figure out how to fix them. Of course, the other big announcement was Cisco Hypershield for AMD Pensando DPUs and Intel IPUs. That's AI-driven security architecture. Hypershield is something that they are extremely excited about. We'll probably hear a little bit more about that in August when it releases. But if you can just imagine taking the power of what Cisco's been doing with their cloud security portfolio and allowing it to run on DPUs and IPUs with those accelerator cards that we hear so much about and we talk about so much on the rundown, I think the value there is that you're going to be able to get a lot of massive performance increases while not bogging down your systems. And in the cloud, every clock cycle that you're using to monitor your infrastructure with a server is a clock cycle that you can't sell to a customer. So I think this is going to be something big. And of course, like I said, we talked about AI all over the place. There's a $1 billion AI fund investment that Cisco is making. And Chuck Robbins even said, $1 billion doesn't sound like a lot when you're on, an AI kind of thing, but $1 billion is a lot of money for a single company to invest in AI research and development. But truthfully, one of the things that I saw more than anything else was a cohesive message from Cisco talking all about how AI is going to permeate everything, whether it is your network or your security or the partnership they have with McLaren's F1 team. AI is very present at Cisco Live. And I'm sure we're going to hear a lot more about it, not only from Cisco, but also from the Tech Field Day Extra videos. So make sure you head over to techfieldday.com and youtube.com/techfieldday to check those out.